What's up, guys? My name is Angel. They call me Little Angel. It's my bike trip. Shout out to my sponsors, DONASBRUKS, taking me to watch a movie, Fast and Furious 8. Alright, first off, I'm gonna start with my grips. They're animal grips. They're really fat. I like them. Been riding it for a couple of months now. Next, my bars. They're Fit Savage. You know, got the donut sponsor. Next is my front load fit stem. Under it is my Colt headset. Under it is some Colt sock forks. Next is my hub. It's an amber purple hub along with king spokes. My hoop is a alienation double wall. Next is my tire, the Fit FAF at 2.40. Pretty nice. Yeah. Right. My seat is a Sunday tripod. Under it is a Franken chain. Swedes have a shit ton of chains combined. Colt 25 tooth sprocket next to Colt cranks, Primo JJ's pedals, Primo. Next, guys, is my back wheel. It's CALLE complete wheel, missing like 5 spokes. You know, Savage or Savage like that. Cassette. There. Okay. Along with a Primo back wheel, 2.30. Yeah, pretty much. Alright. Some pegs or some BSDs, 4-inch pegs, plastic. The other side is a Colt butter. Front is the BSDs 4-inch. Next is the Odyssey rifle aluminum peg. Not least, my frame, main part of my bike. Couldn't ride without it. It's a Colt Gateway frame, 20-inch. Been riding for like, I don't know, months, weeks. It's pretty sick. Shout out to Colt. Sponsor me. Shout out to my sponsors. The Next Generation, BMX, you know, DONASBRUKS, gang gang. My Instagram will be in the link down below or in the screen above, you know. Alright. Shout out to Angel, filming all the time, helping out, and his dad for the donuts. Thanks. Now, guys, go get some clips.
Yeah, you're getting escorted by cops.